up, guys? My name's Adam Barker. I'm the founder of Bolt Skin and Shave. We are the first brand for men who shave their legs. We're a new brand. We launched this 2 months ago, and great traction so far. Thanks in large part to this amazing booth put together by Strike Visual. We found that these in-person activations, these in-person events are super important because, you know, we've got this new razor that we developed for shaving legs. And so that in-person activation, holding this, feeling it, you know, it really helps you buy into the whole equation. This event, Speedgoat, right up the canyon, Little Cottonwood Canyon. We're actually Utah-based, so it's not far from our home. It's awesome, great crowd, great demographic here for us. And honestly, for us as a new brand, having that brand visibility, just creating that awareness, making people aware that we exist, getting that interaction with the founder is really important for us. And then from a branding standpoint, honestly, just getting those impressions, blue and yellow bee, just getting them familiar with our brand, our product, what we offer, and when they see the ads on Instagram or Facebook or anywhere else, they start to get that, you know, repetitive brand impression. So it's been an awesome event. We're stoked to be here interacting with the crowd here at Speedgoat. We're really stoked on our experience with Strike Visual. You know, we did an Ironman event in Boulder, Colorado. Super gnarly storm came through. It was tearing up people's tents. This sucker held strong. We were stoked. So yeah, great to introduce Bolt. If you guys want to check us out online, we're boltshave.com. You can also see us on Instagram at boltskinshave. Later.